can't zoom in like this. I'm already recording. I want to record Megan fall in the water.
Are you recording?
Yeah, she's going to. I swear, and if not, I'll just delete this video and no one will know.
I hope she does, just so I can laugh.
And all the ducks. And there's Allie. And Sarah.
Hi.
It's not really in. There we go. I wish I could zoom.
Not zoom.
I have an iPod, it won't zoom. We'll be able to see the splash.
It's always a plus.
She's going down. That's
There's
weird.
little babies over there.
Those are little really good. She's supposed to get flogged hard. She is. It's gonna.
I'm gonna laugh.
She's gonna get jacked when she catches that bird.
Are
Or she'll just be soaking wet and give up.
we
Wave
walking
hi,
to his
Riley.
grandmother's? Where's she live?
Right down there.
Oh, okay. Riley, we're recording you. Oh, she got one!
Oh my god!